Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I am the outgoing captain of QSET, which stands for the Queen's Space Engineering Team. So if you're not familiar with us already, we're a multidisciplinary student-run design team here at Queen's, and we participate in a number of different space-related competitions as well as help host the Queen's Space Conference, which was started last year. So this year we're actually only focusing on one competition called the University Rover Challenge, hosted by the Mars Society.
Every year at QSET, the first thing we do is we gather in a big group, both the mechanical team and the electrical team and all the new members, and we try and come up with concept designs for a new rover. We do this by, we research some things that have been done in the past. For the competition, we look at what other teams have done, we look at what current rovers are in production, and then we come up with some potential designs. So this year we came up with roughly about 3 designs, and then we spend about a week or so discussing the pros and cons of each design. Basically we base it off of the easeability of building the robot, how well we think it'll work, and some other design criteria that we go through. Once we narrow it down to one design, we then break off into the mechanical teams and the electrical teams, and then we start building separately. So the mechanical team will first they'll try and make some mock-up designs, either first on paper, then try and use CAD software, and just trying to work out all the mechanical kinks. The electrical team will start off by determining the power requirements for everything, trying to find motors, things like that, trying to develop a rough schematic. Additionally, the software team will start investigating how to try and make the communications work. Once most of the preliminary designing has been done, then we'll go into trying to build prototypes, or the prototypes will eventually turn into our final robot. So for this year, for example, with the robotic arm, we were trying to build a rough prototype of the arm to get it programmed and debugged in time for the competition. So once we get back from the winter break, we start building the final rover, and usually that takes about a month to 2 months. Usually around February to March is when we'll have the final robot assembled and ready to be tested. Once we've done some testing, then we go back to our design, try and refine things that maybe didn't work so well, order more parts in, and then test it again and see how that goes. And that's just an iterative process until basically the competition is ready to go.
If you want to get involved with QSET, there's a number of different ways. You don't really need to have any technical experience. I myself am actually from engineering chemistry, so I don't actually have any technical background coming into the team, and most people don't, you'll find as well. So most of the stuff you learn, you'll pick up along the way, and we're open for anyone to join, whether you're in first year or whether you're not even in engineering at all. We'd like for you to come check us out. So stay tuned to all our social media. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or sign up for our mailing list.